You have the Samsung Galaxy. This is the S23. It looks like this. Very cool 3-camera panel. And you, unfortunately, have forgotten your PIN, pattern, or password. And you just can't remember it. So you know you need to reset your phone to erase the screen lock. And so let's get started. All right, to factory reset your S23, we've got to bypass the PIN because we've forgotten it. So to do that, we have to hold the volume down and power at the same time. Volume down, power. So it's going to bring up the screen. It's going to give us a Bixby note. But what we need to do is keep holding until the phone powers off and then immediately switch to volume up and power. That's got to be very quick. Okay, as quick as you can. And then we're going to hold for a very long time until the Samsung logo shows up. And as soon as the Samsung logo shows up, we can let go with both fingers. Keep holding, keep holding. There it is, Samsung logo. And now we let go with both fingers. And the Android recovery menu is going to show up now. All right, at the Android recovery menu, we've got to reset the phone. So scroll down to Wipe Data Factory Reset with Volume and read this note right here. If your phone is reset, you still need your Google information. You still need your Google account information to log back in the phone after we erase the screen lock. So let's press OK, power for OK, and it brings up a confirmation. And you need to read this one too. It's going to wipe all user data. It's going to wipe all your phone numbers. It's going to wipe all your pictures. It's going to wipe all your apps. It cannot be undone. So scroll down right there, factory data reset to confirm. Now, depending on your phone, we're waiting for a message that says data wipe is complete. It could take a few seconds. It could take a minute or two or longer. And just wait and be patient. And now you are safe to reboot the system. Press power for OK. And that is how you reset your Samsung Galaxy S23 if you've forgotten your PIN, pattern, or password. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.